You receive a user guide and the Wi-Fi hidden camera. First, remove the protective film. You will also get the following accessories: a 2-in-1 cable, a USB Type-C adapter, a card reader, stickers to cover the card slot, a USB to USB cable, and a reset pin. Let's do the quick setup. I will take the cover stickers and cover the SD card slot. I am plugging the camera into a surge protector to adjust the angle of view, and you can plug it into a wall. I plug the USB cord into it, but nothing is plugged into the cord to make it look used often. Get your user guide and follow it step by step. I've already installed the app, and I will show you that it's so easy. Click Add a Device and then click Security and Video on the left tab. Click on Smart Camera Wi-Fi, click on the QR code at the top right and select Wi-Fi mode. Click on the AP mode. Select your Wi-Fi network and click Go to connect. You should select the camera in your Wi-Fi list. You can also power the camera from a power bank and move it anywhere. Connect the camera using the USB to USB cord to a power bank like this. Now you can hide it anywhere. If you want to record something important or check what's going on later, you need to install the micro SD card into the camera and hide it using a sticker. Then plug the camera back and set up recording in the app. If you want to check the recording on your PC or Mac, use this card reader with a Type-C adapter for connecting your micro SD card. Hey, thanks for watching.